Want to know how to reset or change your password in Waze? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now, first up, simply open up your Waze application and make sure you are logged in there. And once I've done that, right here you can see this hamburger icon on the top left. So simply select it. And once you're there, just simply select View Profile right here. Now, once you're on the View Profile, simply scroll down until you see Account and Login. For me, it's right here. Now once you selected account and login, right here under username you can see password. Just simply select password, and now you need to type in your current password and your new password to change it. So just simply type in your current password, and once you have typed in your current password, your new password, and we type your password as well, the newer one. And once that is done, you can also check the enter new password on other devices, and if you want that you can just simply check it. And once that is done, you can just simply select save. But if you have also forgotten your current password, you can just simply select forgot your password. Now once you have changed your password, simply select save right here. And once that is done, your password should be changed, and as you can see right here, you also get logged out, and now you need to log in again. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.